Okay, so recap where we are to now. When we initially got here, we tried to run a 3.5-inch cutter from the yard clean out outside. We were able to make it 10 to 15 feet in, came to a complete blockage. Came down to the basement, cabled with a Spartan 100 machine from the test tee and the main waste stack, cabled out 50 feet, we're able to get the drain open and flowing. Went back outside with the 3.5-inch cutter, was able to get 60 feet of cable into the line. Now we're going to run down through the stack again, out towards the yard clean out, and inspect the line. Okay, we are still unable to get the cable out to the yard clean out. We're going to go outside to the yard clean out, cable in towards the house again with a larger cutter, attempting to remove more roots.